Hello guys, today I will be showing
How
you.
to save Instagram Reels to your gallery on Android.
If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe.
So first things first, you have to open your Instagram application and then look for the Reels that you want to save to your gallery or to your Android. Now, let's just say if you want to save this Reels like this, okay, this one. If you tap on the save option, then all you can do is to save this to your Instagram application or account. But you're going to save this to your gallery. So what you're going to do is you have to tap on the share icon, tap on copy link, exit Instagram, go and then open any web browser, for example, Google web browser, and then search for a download Instagram Reels or Instagram Reels download. Then you will see here tons of websites or tools that can help you download your Instagram Reels or videos. Now, let's just say I wanted to pick the very first link that I can see here. Okay, so as you can see, there are some results here. Just pick one. I'm going to choose the first one here and then wait for a couple of seconds. Paste the link that I have copied earlier from Instagram or the link of that Instagram Reels. Tap this arrow, wait for a couple of seconds, and I should see here the option for what quality I want to download. So basically you can choose for 720 or lesser quality if you want. So after that, you have to tap on download. Wait for a couple of seconds. Go to the download folder, tap on this three dots above, and then you have to look for the download file. Open the file and you will see your Instagram video reels. And that's how easy it is to save Instagram Reels to your gallery on Android. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.